Gusto ko sana ito kasi hindi ko rin. Annyeonghaseyo Yorobon! Welcome back sa Seoul series. Today is probably my favorite day of this entire Korea trip. Originally, dapat March 3 talaga namin gagawin itong tour. Pero the night before, nakita namin sa weather forecast na uulan ng malakas. So instead na ipilit, we messaged Klook and our tour operator kung pwede namin i-move the booking to the next day. Thankfully, pumayag sila and honestly, best decision ever. Kasi dahil umulan the day before, pagdating namin sa first destination namin, which is Alpaca World, parang winter wonderland siya. May fresh snow pa sa ground, the mountains were covered in white, and everything looked so magical. Feeling mo nasa K-drama ka, o kaya nasa Frozen. Kung natuloy kami the previous day, malamang basa lang kami buong araw. Pero dahil minove namin, we got the best weather, the best views, and honestly, the best experience. So lesson learned, don't be afraid to adjust your itinerary. Sometimes, the best travel memories come from changing your plans. Our guide distributed our entrance tickets, gave us a quick orientation, and pointed us towards the feeding area. Simple lang naman yung instructions. Don't scare the alpacas, don't chase them, at huwag nyo silang gawing unan. Charot.
Ten. You can go now.
这个就大家慢慢研究吧，我们先进园，好不好？咖啡吧，等会我们先走着来。
Come number one.
Yes.
One map. And 1, 2, 3. 3 for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Richard.
Iba niyo pa. By the way, this entire trip was booked through Klook, and I'll leave the booking link down below if gusto nyo rin siyang itry. For around 3,700 plus, kasama na yung transportation, entrance fees, tour guide, and visits to 3 of the most popular attractions outside Seoul, which are Alpaca World, Gangchon Rail Park, and Nami Island. Parang nagsusnow dahil sa nalalaglag na. Personally, I think sulit na siya. DIY is definitely possible pero medyo hassle because these places are far from Seoul and you'll need to transfer trains and buses several times. With a tour, tulog ka lang sa bus tapos pagising mo, destination na agad. Perfect siya if short lang stay nyo sa Korea or gusto nyo lang ng stress-free day.
유턴 라틴 빌리지로 가시면 우리 알파카와 산책할 수 있는 1인 산책이 준비되어 있습니다. 자, 1인 산책은 알파카 자유롭게 우리 해를 현지에서 알파카별로 직접 만든 화초도 있고 우리 강아지 산책하듯이 알파카와 산책을 하면서 예쁜 사진, 좋은 추억을 남길 수 있는 프로그램입니다. 다만 약간의 비용이 나는 점 참고하시면 될 것 같아요. 자, 우리 이렇게 알파카를 만나 있으면 총 3곳에 소개시켜드렸는데 우리 알파카 말고도 사슴, 토끼, 염소, 사막여우, 뒤에 보이는 오리, 거위, 호아지, 이렇게 독수리, 낙타는 우리 다양한 동물 친구들을 살고 있으니까 우리 알파카뿐만 아니라 알파카들을 살고 있는 다양한 동물 친구들도 같이 보시면 좋을 것 같습니다. 자, 우리 뮤직비디오는 서로 나왔습니다. 사부님에는 왼쪽에 보이시는 펜션 알파카 친구들을 공간에서 가장 많이 만나볼 수 있으니까 일단 안쪽에서 조금만 기다리시면 감사하겠습니다. 자, 그리고 우리 눈에 들고 있는 리프는 이렇게 접어서 주머니 속이나 가방 속에 넣어주시면 알파카들이 들어오면
And finally, ito na. The moment we've all been waiting for. The
알파카
Alpaca
친구들이 문제
World.
안쪽으로 들어오면 우리 리플렛을 물어볼 수 있기 때문에 리플렛을 크게 접어서 주머니 속이나 가방 속에 넣어주시면 됩니다. And also, of course, Alpaca coming here will begin 10:10.
Ilabas mo lang yung lalaki.
Hi guys.
Let's say hello first. 여러분 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Hello. Nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다. 자, 우리 Don't touch the alpaca head and hip. You can touch slowly again back. Don't touch the alpaca head and hip. You can touch slowly again back. If you touch the alpaca head and hip, you could speak or kick. Be careful. Okay, second, when you feed them, put one or two fellers on your hands. When you feed them, put one or two fellers on your hands. Okay, three. After you bend, don't go outside and move to the fence. If the alpaca is going on, please move to the fence. After you bend, don't go outside and move to the fence. If the alpaca is going on, please move to the fence. Okay, to alpaca is
Baka umiga ka dyan mamaya.
Ako
yung parang gagawa doon.
Say, all the animal, iriwa to
Ganito
animal,
pala
will
yung
come to
texture
you.
niya.
When I say 1,
It's
2,
powdery.
3, please say, alpacaya iriwa loudly.
Alpaca ya iti.
Okay, one more. When I say 1, 2, 3, please say, alpacaya iriwa loudly. Everybody, are you ready?
Yes!
Now, one more. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, the direction look at there. The direction look at there. The direction look at there. 저쪽을 바라보시면서 우리 알파카야 1위와 1, 2, 3.
Alpaca iriwa!
알파카야 1위와. 태어난 알파카 친구들 이쁜 사진이나 동영상을 한번 남겨보시기 바라겠습니다. Okay, please now take the picture and video. 알파카 running. 자, 우리 모두 가서 뒤쪽 면을 바라보시면 우리 알파카 친구들 모두 이탈 안쪽으로 뛰어들어오겠습니다. Okay, look at the behind. Look at the behind.
They're so smart. Alpaca ya itiwa! Iriwa! Itiwa!
시간 동안에는 먹이
Lyrics wala.
먹이 필요하신 분들은 돌아다니는 사회사가
Sorry,
진행해
no, wala na.
말씀해주세요. Okay, this time free food. If you no more feed, please stand to
안녕.
people. This time free food. If you no more feed, please
Kuha ka
stand
pa
to
doon
people.
ng food. Annyeong!
Hello. Hello. So cute. Ano ko yung they're eating pa?
Hello. Annyeong!
Some more. Some more here, you want?
자, 우리 이벤트 시간 동안에는 먹이 무료로 드리고 있습니다. 이 먹이 필요하신 분들은 돌아다니는 사육사분들에게 말씀해주세요. Okay, this time free food. If you no more feed, please stand to people. This time free food. If you no more feed, please stand
Free
to
food!
people.
Free food! 이리와! 이리와, 이리와!
자, 우리 먹이 줄 때는 방탄 올려서 하나에서 두 개씩만 주시면 됩니다. When you feed them, put one or two fillets on your hands. One or two fillets on your hands.
Daw picture tayo ko kayo rin.
Ayaw mo na magpakain?
Gusto ko Gago, kinakain yung kamay ko eh.
Sige ka pa.
Ayayo.
I like it.
Annyeong! Annyeong! Pwede daw i-touch yung body, tama?
I think so.
Huwag yung head tsaka yung neck.
Huwag yung head and
Yung neck.
and neck.
Excuse me.
No more, no more.
Oh my God! Hoy! Nakagat mo na ako eh. No more. No more, no more. Annyeong!
What are alpacas?
Annyeong! Ang cute, no?
What are they? What are
Hi! Hi!
Gagi.
Annyeong!
Pero gusto ko mag-alaga ng alpaca.
Annyeong!
Hello.
So close, no?
Parang kinakausap mo. Hello. Anyo.
Tignan mo yung camera ko.
Guys, sobrang cute nila as in. Hindi ko alam kung sila ba ang excited makita kami o excited lang sila sa pagkain na hawak namin. Feeling ko yung second option. The moment they see you holding food, automatic, VIP ka na sa kanila. Nakakatuwa lang kasi they're surprisingly gentle. Akala ko mga agaw sila ng pagkain pero hindi. Very soft yung pagkuha nila. Parang, excuse me po, akin na po yan.
Kaya natatakot ako. Pogi mo naman.
Oh, top cute.
Takot ako baka duraan. Halikan ka na. basa sila eh. Annyeong!
Ay, wala pagkain.
Annyeong! Grabe naman si O.
Okay, Alpaca bye-bye time. Please move to the fan. Alpaca is going on. Please move to the fence. 자, 우리 알파카 친구들 집에 들어가시면
Bye-bye.
쪽으로 이동 부탁드리겠습니다. Okay, Alpaca bye-bye time.
Bye-bye.
Please move to the fence. Don't follow Alpaca dangerous. Please move to the fence.
Yep.
So, sa namin siguro ito may sofa din.
Okay, so after ng feeding, we're allowed to roam around the park. And while showing you around, let me give you some more info about the tour. So our pickup point was at Hongik University Station, specifically sa exit kung saan may malaking KFC. Very easy hanapin. Pro tip, always arrive at least 10 to 15 minutes early because Korean tours are very punctual. Kapag sinabi nilang 8 a.m. departure, 8 a.m. talaga. Hindi uso ang wait lang po, nasa kabilang kanto na ako. Naiiwan ka talaga. Once everyone was complete, we boarded the bus and officially started our tour. One thing I really appreciate about Korean tour buses, super comfortable, malinis, tahimik, at ang smooth ng biyahe. Since medyo maaga yung call time, halos lahat ng tao natulog agad, including us. After around 2.5 hours, we finally arrived at Alpaca World. And wow, sobrang ganda. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito ka-beautiful. Fresh snow everywhere, the trees, the mountains, the cold air, parang postcard. Actually, kahit hindi pa kami nakakakita ng alpaca, worth it na yung scenery. Alpaca World isn't just an alpaca farm. It's a huge nature park surrounded by mountains where you can interact with different kinds of animals. Aside from alpacas, may deer, ponies, birds, rabbits, camels, and marami pang iba. Unfortunately, limited lang yung free time namin because part siya ng day tour. So we decided to focus on one thing, the alpacas lang. Syempre, priorities.
So si Mela, hindi umakyat. Isa pa, portrait. Pwede na. 무서워.
Now let me share some info about alpacas. Contrary to what many people think, alpacas are not llamas. Magkamukha lang sila, but alpacas are actually smaller, fluffier, and mas gentle ang personality nila. They are originally from the Andes Mountains in South America, especially Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. They're also famous for their super soft wool. In fact, alpaca wool is considered one of the finest natural fibers in the world because it's warm, lightweight, and hypoallergenic. Kaya medyo mahal din ang products made from alpaca wool. Isa pa, alpacas are very social animals. They don't like being alone, kaya lagi silang magkakasama in groups. And if you see them just quietly chewing, don't worry, normal lang yun. They spend a lot of time eating and chewing grass. Good news din for anyone who's a little scared, hindi sila aggressive. As long as you don't bother them, they're very calm and friendly. Ang pinaka-defense move nila, dumudura sila. Pero don't worry, they usually spit at other alpacas, not people, unless sobrang na-stress sila. So let's all be nice to them.
Pasay, hindi pa. Naka 0.5 talaga siya.
Okay. Tara, alas tayo.
Si Rich.
Nandun pa, nag-ikot pa siya. Lakas pa yung batang yun.
They also have an art shop or a souvenir shop in the area. And yung prices ng items here ranges from 1,000 won, which are the postcards, up to siguro mga 50,000 won. So, up to you na lang what you want to buy. But itong mga keychains na to, nasa mga 8,000 to 10,000 won. And there are different kinds of keychains. Merong alpaca, merong other animals that are in the park.
Alin? Poster, oh.
It's not my first time here, so the last time I went here, I got myself an alpaca keychain, super cute. And this time, I wanted a new keychain and also this hat. So that's what I checked out.
sana nito kaso hindi pwede i-change yung flavor.
All the same. One. Yes,
Ano lang dito? Yan na rin tatay yung kanya.
Oh. He said not to touch it, right? They'll mix it in front of us.
They will mix it.
How does this taste like? Okay.
Sprite din yan eh.
That's a Sprite.
Kagabi na ininom.
It's their local Sprite.
This is what we ordered now. That's the cranberry.
Ano si ate? Gusto mo naman yung beer mo kasi dyan siya. Ako din ang beer.
네, 유캔이 팬케이크 소스.
That's so we can mix this. Let's try the pancake.
So today's meal is Dakgalbi, one of Chuncheon's most famous dishes. In fact, Chuncheon is known as the home of Dakgalbi. So if you're visiting this area, this is something you should definitely try. Dakgalbi is made with bite-sized chicken marinated in a spicy gochujang based sauce, then stir-fried together with cabbage, sweet potato, onions, rice cakes, and sometimes perilla leaves. Lahat niluluto sa malaking hot plate right in front of you. Don't worry if you're not good with spicy food, most Dakgalbi is more flavorful than super spicy. Kaya kaya naman ng karamihan. May konting anghang lang, pero ang sarap ng timpla. Overall, sobrang sulit nitong meal, mainit, flavorful, and exactly what you need after spending time outside in the cold. Mas lalong sumarap dahil gutom na rin kami.
Ito. Kung dalawa yung binigyan natin spoon gaganis.
Pag naman niya.
I like his stir style.
Honestly, out of everything we did in Korea, this became my favorite experience. There's something so relaxing about being surrounded by nature, snow, fresh mountain air, and these adorable alpacas. For a moment, parang nawala lahat ng iniisip ko. Wala kang iniisip na trabaho, emails, or deadlines. You're just here, feeding alpacas, smiling like a kid, and I think that's what travel is really about.
That's a different menu.
Pero hindi pa tapos ang adventure natin. Next stop po is buhay cardio session, Este, Gangchon Rail Park. Let's go! See you on my next vlog!